NASA has achieved another testing milestone for its James Webb Space Telescope. The telescope has now survived all the harsh conditions associated with a rocket launch to space. The recent tests have validated that the fully assembled telescope will survive all the loud sound, the physical shock, rustles and vibration that the telescope will experience during a liftoff. This test is known as acoustic and sine vibration test. NASA has worked carefully with its international partners to match Webb's testing environment precisely to what the Webb will experience both on launch day and operating in the orbit. Testing began by first encapsulating the entire telescope in a clean room built to shield it from the outside world. Technicians then carefully guided it to a nearby acoustic testing chamber where it was intentionally blasted by a sound pressure levels above 140 decibels with a spectrum tuned to the specific signature of the Ariane 5 rocket on which it would ride to space. Webb was placed on a specialized shaker table which is capable of providing a precise vertical and horizontal acceleration. During the test, nearly 600 individual channels of motion data were carefully observed and recorded. Upon successful completion of its final acoustic test, Webb was again pegged and transported to a separate facility to simulate the low frequency vibration that occurred during a liftoff. Though each component of the telescope has been rigorously tested during the development, it is a significant achievement for the mission that the assembled flight hardware is able to safely pass through a simulated launch environment. Environmental testing demonstrates Webb's ability to survive the rocket ride to the space, which is the most violent portion of its trip to orbit approximately 1 million miles from the Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope is the world's largest, most powerful and complex space science telescope ever built. It is NASA's next great space science observatory, which will help in solving the mysteries of our solar system, looking beyond distinct worlds around other stars, and probing the mystifying structures and the origin of our universe.